Do you ever wish Make had a visual canvas just like Zapier Canvas? A synced diagram to visualize how all your Make scenarios work within the broader process. The automated steps within the context of the manual human steps, giving you a complete picture of how your people and your systems work together across processes. Well, you're not alone, and I have good news. I would like to introduce you to the Puzzle Make integration, the first visual canvas integrated with Make to diagram and monitor your scenarios in less than 1 minute, where you'll have a complete high-level process diagram with the context of your human steps right next to your synced scenario steps, laid out beautifully on a single canvas. The Puzzle Make integration enables Make users to achieve the same level of visual documentation as Zapier Canvas. Here's how the Puzzle Make integration works today. First, authorize your Make account within Puzzle. Then, Puzzle will automatically create your scenarios as steps. From there, start organizing your synced steps using our visual canvas in the order that they occur. And then easily see when new scenarios exist in Make but aren't yet mapped in your documentation. This takes all the brain work out of wondering if your documentation is 100% reflective of the scenarios that exist in Make. That way, you have complete confidence in your documentation, so you can easily identify opportunities for efficiency, troubleshoot issues, collaborate with your team, and unlock efficiencies with Make automations in one single canvas. Make is the leading visual platform for anyone to design, build, and automate anything. And now you can zoom out to see how all those automations work within the big picture of your operations. Puzzle's Make integration is just one more reason to ditch the everything whiteboards like Lucidchart, Whimsical, and Miro, and instead use Puzzle to document, visualize, monitor, and share your human-in-the-loop workflows. The one app you need to get everyone to understand exactly how your processes and systems work faster than ever before. Comment Make on this post and connect with me on LinkedIn so I can message you a coupon code for a 1-month free trial using Puzzle to document your Make automations. And I'll see you when we launch our next feature.